All right, this is Liberty stock number 50288. This is the Technidrill model GD/BTA-2.5-40-1A-PLC-72-CR. Maximum drilling capacity 2.5 inch, 72 inch part length. This is a combination gun drill and BTA machine with self-centering steady rest and counter rotation. Serial number 8/57274, year built 2006.
Let's check it out.
All right.
Yeah.
Following you.
Walk around. Yeah, we'll start off with the control. I'm under power, but I'm not fired up yet anyhow. So the screensaver's on, but we'll come back to it fired up and make some things happen here. Start there, and as you pan to your left, we got the doors open, so of course this main spindle drive is up high. And if you want to peek inside the cabinet, I said you can kind of see the screws and the ways pretty good. Yeah, if you want to just kind of pan across, steady rests up through the middle. Coming across through the windows as you come down, we got the chip box over here. The chuck right on the other side of the same window here. Might be able to lean in and see it even better over here. Oh, it's got a T-key on there too. Yeah, they got all the tools hanging on there. And of course, counter rotation, screw, chuck, and the drive motor up high. And there's the hydraulic servo in back as you go back to the left. Like I said, when we go back around, when I fire it up, you can come back here and see some things move. There's the hydraulic servo.
Beast.
Yeah, there's the doors. As long as you're here, you kind of see what, that's kind of how it goes here, just to get an idea. And the front one goes forward, so. Yeah, the whole thing is really enclosed nicely. Backside, not much going on except hydraulic system is here. Again, for the servo, for the counter rotation unit. Chip box is back there. The whole chip system and high pressure system belongs back here, but we had to temp things in because we just don't have it situated properly. So here's the whole chip box area all through here. You can kind of see in there. And not that it matters, we're temped in on the floor, which all leads to the rear, because this whole switchgear panel is in back of the high pressure system here, which is right in front of us.
Okay.
Yeah, keep going straight through and watch out for my 480, they're hot. Main pump motor right in front of you. We are not going to run that. We have no oil in the system. And the main gear panel, switch gear panel. Fuse disconnect, the big drive, the ABB drive, that's our main spindle. The other small ABB is counter rotation down there. And the Ultra L and Bradley, of course, is our servo for the feed. And the Slick 503, I think. Yeah, the Allen Bradley PLC right there. It's up and running. Kind of dark back here, it's not too bad, Conveyor. So, we haven't run any of this, but yeah, none of this is hooked up. And if you want to circle around to the ancillary equipment here, after you're done with this, it's all in the aisle. What we got over here? A shoulder unit, is that right?
Mhm.
It's all the main shoulder. Yeah, we got that lined up. A lot of stock material as we go along, making our own bushings, all kinds of stuff in here. Replacement parts. 2 full boxes of filters are in here, the filter bags. That's all filters. These were in your pictures, weren't they?
Yep.
That'll all be shown, all the tooling and everything. Sure, that's all still in there. So yeah, a lot of drill heads in there, all kinds of good stuff. So yeah, that all goes with it. To the left, yeah, a couple of steady rests, more cowlets, tooling, all kinds of good stuff. You got it all. Keep going to your left, yeah. Parts, belts, bearings, oil filters, and up on the table, got a whole slew of documentation, parts manuals, service manuals, all the original technical Technidrill documentation. And these guys, is that the last of it? I think we're finally down here, yeah. I think if we covered it all, you know.
I think we did.
Yeah, I think we did, yeah. We sure did. How you start it up while you're here. I don't know what angle you want to get at the glare from the lights here and stuff. This one's a little bit tough to read, you gotta get in on it, but I can probably push a few things here, and then you can go over there and we'll push them again. No big deal here. I'm gonna hit master start. It's on a screensaver right now. Brings up several pumps, the hydraulic pump. Some of these pumps we have shut off just because we did not want to have them run dry on the high pressure system. And yeah, these are main page. This is the main menu page. First up
to the side.
Where do you want me to be? I don't know.
Anywhere to the side would be good, I think.
Yeah, there's a lot of glare on these things. Main menu page, and it's all self-explanatory if you can kind of get that on the camera. Coolant, gallons per minute, Spindle Jog, we're going to use some of these. Menu, we're in the main right there, that was the main. Just a quick rundown. Inputs are nice, all your red and green inputs shows what you got or don't have. Back to the menu again. Messages, again, everything's okay, this machine's happy insofar as thermals, overloads, load meters, nothing's tripped, it's all good there. Setup is a big page. I haven't been into it a lot, but it's for setting up rapid jog feed rate, drilling mode, name it. It's all in here. There's a lot to this control. There really is. I haven't even been that much through it. Depth is another big page. Axis start position, main, axis zero. Well, I did set it. I was going to say, this is where you set the zero position for the head. I've already set that, otherwise it won't let me do anything in manual. And axis movement, drill depth is in here, so these are where you change your numbers. I haven't touched any of this. This is the way it came to us. And outputs will be the last one I would show. Same thing, shows what's on and what's off currently. So it's a nice screen, then counters and metric English, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go back to main. Let me see if I get this right. I don't know this control that well. But first we'd want to do maybe Spindle Jog. I hit this and it gives you a sidebar on what you want to do. Jog Spindle with coolant, which we don't want to do, or just Jog Spindle. Let me see if I've got it, and then you can go over there and watch it. But let me see if I got it first. I don't, because I think I need to get rid of that. The retract button, it thinks it was retracted. Oh, and I think I have to put it in manual. Normal feed? No. Hang on a second. This seems hard to read. Bypass? No. Normal feed. Axis movement. We don't need a mode. There it is. Mode. I want manual. There, that's better. Now back to Spindle Jog. And let's try Spindle Jog, see if we got that. There it is there. So I can do that again. Just hit Spindle Jog, I'm holding it. Put your pan over. It's at 380. Load meter. And you go back over there, I'll shut it down and bring it up one more time. and Jog Spindle. And feed should be on here too now, I think. Drill coolant feed, spindle jog. I was in here a minute ago. Feed override, normal feed. No, that's not it. Cycle, drill, coolant, spindle, cycle. I'm looking for it. Hang with me. Axis start position is good. Axis movement, that might be it. There we go. We got feed, rapid advance, and rapid retract. Here's feed. I should get feed right now. If I don't, then I've got something wrong. Feed, no rapid. I've got rapid advance. Go pan over for this. There's rapid advance. And there's rapid retract. One more time forward. Let me try feed again. I wasn't watching. It might have been moving. Oh, it's moving. Yeah, you'll have to get in close, Pete. It's just, you see it moving. There's my feed on the screw, front or rear of the box. And if you come back over when you're done, we can show you it on the, I stopped. And here's the feed position, axis position. You'll watch it clocking as it's going. There we go. And that's those two. And I think we can get in the back end here and tailstock moving and be over here. So I'm going to push that. And it gives me rotate tailstock, advance tailstock, or retract. So if you want to go back over there on the tailstock, I'm going to hit advance tailstock. You'll hear that pump gear up. And I'm going to hit it now. Go back a little bit. While you're there, I'm going to hit rotate tailstock. Shut it down. One more time. And I think I see on one of the screens that's the freak drive down below the small AB. I think it's set right now for 100 RPM. So for what it's worth. And that's the four main ingredients there. It's about what I've got for the time being. After this, we do an install. Let's shut it down.